Still using basic English? Let's fix that today.
Instead of saying I'm late, say I'm running behind schedule.
Meaning, delayed in a professional way. For example, I'm running behind schedule. I'll be there soon. Instead of saying, check this, say, please have a look at this. Meaning, a polite request. Example, please have a look at this and share your thoughts. Instead of saying, fix this, say, could you take care of this? Meaning, polite instruction. Example, could you take care of this when you have time?
Instead of saying, I don't like this, say, this may not be the best option. This simple change can make your communication more positive and constructive.
Meaning, professional opinion. Example, this may not be the best option. Let's explore alternatives.
Instead of saying, I'm done, say, I've wrapped it up.
Meaning, completed work. Example, I've wrapped it up. You can review it.
Instead of saying, tell everyone, say, please inform the team. Meaning, formal communication. Example, please inform the team about the update.
Instead of saying, I need help, say, could you assist me with this? This simple change makes your request more polite and effective.
Meaning, polite request for help. Example, could you assist me with this for a moment?
Instead of saying, this is important, say, this is a priority. This small change can make your message more impactful.
Meaning, urgent or important. Example, this is a priority. Let's handle it first.
Instead of saying, I'll do it later, say, I'll take care of it shortly.
Meaning, soon but not now. Example, I'll take care of it shortly. Give me some time. Instead of saying, send it to me, say, could you share it with me? This small change can make your communication feel more open and collaborative.
Meaning, polite request. Example, could you share it with me when it's ready?